Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Super Beauty Desire. This is Prerna and today I'm here with one more video with you for you guys. So let's get started. Let's talk about the video's topic. And the topic of the video is how to clean tanning, how to remove tanning from your face. Yes guys, as you all know, I have been traveling a lot for my official purposes or some of my family trips, so I have been tanned over there. So yeah guys, instead of applying of tons of sunscreen lotion, you get tanned. Yes guys. So lots of my subscriber asked me that how to remove tanning from your face. So I want to tell you that trick that I use in my day-to-day life to remove tanning from my face. So let's get started. For this you will be needing certain things, so the things I'm gonna tell you right away. Guys, first of all you will be needing this gram flour. As you can see, I have taken gram flour, and the quantity I will be telling you after some time. Right now I am telling you the products that you will be needing. Yes, so you will require this gram flour, and then you will require milk. Yes, you will require this milk, and you should take raw milks. Raw milk is better than that boiled milk, so you should take raw milk. And then the easiest thing available in the house is this honey. Yes, you have to take honey for this also. And I want to tell you guys that I have sensitive skin, so I cannot use lemon for my skin. But if you want to use lemon for this remedy, you can also add some amount of lemon. So now I will be showing you that how to mix these things. So first of all, you will be taking one empty bowl, as I have taken one empty bowl, and then you will be adding 2 of the tablespoons of gram flour in this, that is besan in Hindi. Yeah, so I am taking 2 tablespoons of gram flour, as you can see. Yeah, so 1 tablespoon, and then second tablespoon. Yeah, so I have taken 2 of the tablespoons of gram flour. As you can see, this is besan. And then you will have to take 2 tablespoons of milk, raw milk. Yeah, so as you can see, I have taken 2 of the tablespoons of raw milk right now, and I am gonna mix it like this. As you can see, I am mixing my gram flour in the raw milk, and as you can see, my mixture is not that good to run on my face, so I will be taking some more amount of milk in this. So yeah guys, as you can see, I have taken some more amount of milk in this mixture, and I'm mixing it so well so that all the milk is get absorbed by the gram flour very well. So mix it. So yeah, as you can see, my mixture is ready, and it is good to run over your face. The one thing is left is only honey. 1 tablespoon of honey. So yeah, 1 tablespoon is honey. 1 tablespoon of honey is good for your mixture. You will have to drop this honey into this mixture and mix it like this. You will have to mix. So yeah, as you can see, this mixture is ready, and so I'm gonna go and change my t-shirt because I mind if this t-shirt will get stained. So yeah, wait for a second. So yeah guys, let's get started. I have my mixture with me, and I'm gonna apply it on my face to remove all the tan from my face. So yeah, for this I will be needing this hair band to tie up my hair at back, so that my hair will not disturb me again. I have one cotton pad with me, and then I will dip it in this solution, and then I will apply it. I will show you how to apply this mixture onto your face. Sorry for the disturbance because the children are playing outside. So yeah, you will have to apply this onto your face all over. Like so. Apply this mixture all over your face and mostly on your forehead, because on forehead you might be having so much of tan because it comes so much in exposed with the sun. Onto your chin also and onto your neck. Here you can also apply it. So yeah, just check wherever you have left the area, you can apply it. So yeah guys, let me check first of all. So yeah, I am done with my this thing. Now I will dip my fingers into this mixture, both the hand fingers, and then rub this mixture onto my fingers like this, and I will massage my face for a good 5 minutes. I will be massaging my face with this. So like this you have to massage your face in circular motion onto your chin, onto your high points of your cheeks, low points of your cheeks, and then foreheads. Just follow the steps that are followed in the salon, that are meant for facial. So follow those steps. Upper lip area, chin, jawline. Just keep this mixture moist by taking again and again this mixture onto your hands, fingers, and then apply it again and again. So yes guys, now 5 minutes massage is done, and then you will have to apply this mixture again onto your whole face, and left this mixture onto your face for 20 minutes as a pack. Yes, so apply this mixture again onto your face. On your forehead, nose, neck. So yeah guys, you will have to sit for 20 minutes after applying this pack, and enjoy reading or enjoy your mobile. So yeah, wait for 20 minutes. Guys, after 20 minutes wash your face with water, and do not apply your face wash for 5 hours. Yes guys, do not apply your face wash at least for 5 hours, and you are done. Yes guys, believe me, you will have to repeat this process once in a week. So if you will repeat this process once in a week, yeah, believe me guys, you are going to get rid of tan from your face very soon. So yeah guys, this was my recipe to remove tanning from your face. And if you like this video, and if you enjoyed this video, so please hit like button over there, and please subscribe to my channel over there. The button is over there, and subscribe me for much more videos like these videos. So yeah, bye, stay tuned.